everyone, it's Davita with WTI. My favorite time of the day is when I get to jump in my bed. I look for something that is really comfortable that I can just fall into and fall right asleep. So I'm super happy that I have been using this cooling mattress topper by CHOPINMOON. What I love about it is that it's almost like you're sleeping on a pillow. So it's very different than memory foam, which you almost sink into. This one has like fluffiness in all different parts. As you can see, it does look like a squishy pillow. The material inside is a down alternative. It's really comfortable. It's a cooling mattress topper, which is great because I like to sleep on the cool side. I tend to get warm in the middle of the night. So this has been super comfortable to sleep in. So if you are looking for a great mattress top, and especially one with really deep pockets, it's easy to get on your mattress, then I definitely recommend this one. And that's my point of view.